Have you ever lost or misplaced your house keys? Have you ever wanted to see who accessed your house in your absence and at what time? Have you ever had to wait outside your home for keys? Have you ever had to request your friends or neighbors to hand over keys in your absence? If any of the above answer is yes, then it is time you move to our smart lock. Presenting you to our smart lock, India's indigenously developed Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled door lock that opens through your mobile phone, fingerprint or RFID card. Here is how it works.